Hi, this is Kenny Park from the e-learning team with a short video on how to use Basecamp. Basecamp's the project management tool we'll use with you to manage your particular project. It's a way for us to stay in touch, to share files and also to share key dates. So what we'll do is we'll send you an email inviting you to Basecamp, and you'll see this message here when you open up your email. So if you've used Basecamp before, please don't feel you're obligated to set up a new account. You can just skip the step here and you'll be taken straight into the project. If you've not used Basecamp before, then you can sign in with Google, or in this example what you can do is create an account and just manage that account with your own email. So if we selected this option here to make a new account with my email, you're then given this screen here, and there's a couple of things that you need to do to take that forward. If you want, you can add a photo, but that's entirely optional. The name and details we've sent to you via your email, so all you need to do is create a password and then confirm that password. It's probably worthwhile at this point taking a note of your password, maybe somewhere safe like your phone. And once we've done that, you simply click on OK, let's go, and you'll then be taken directly into the Basecamp interface. This is how the interface looks. What we're particularly interested in is what happens within a project, so in this case Harry Potter's got two projects, the Distance podcast and using Basecamp. Your project will appear in this area here, and you'll already know the name of that particular project. But just so we see how this looks, let's go into this project here using Basecamp. And you can see here what we have is the users in the project. So there I am there, Kenny Park, and there you are there, Harry Potter. And you can see that the project's divided into 5 distinct areas. The campfire is a chat area, where you can, the explanations there where you can post up questions to the group and chat in real time. The message board is where announcements go up. You can check in progress and feedback and ideas. We've got a to-do list area as well, where you can post up tasks that need to be done and also close them off once they have been done. We have a schedule area there, so we may well have agreed specific key dates or times for parts of the project, and we would tend to populate that area with those dates. And then we have the documents and files area here, and if we just open that up further, you can see that we've got some guidance and notes on how to use this. So for example, we've got this folder here which has 2 subfolders. So if we go in here, you'll see that we've got meetings and face-to-face meetings, and we've also got a client folder here as well, which again is self-explanatory. You know, where we'll put things like design notes or text files, images or audio. So you can see that it's just really to keep things organised so that both you and we know exactly what's going on. So these are the 5 main areas of the report. Underneath that, what we have is project activity, and this kind of runs like a timeline. So basically everything that goes in the project appears in this timeline. And that really gives us a clear idea of who's doing what when. So the idea is really to just try and stay organised and keep our work focused and streamlined. The other thing that I should say, so for example, if we went to message board and we typed in here welcome, let's say welcome message. You can type the text, you can change that text, modify that text, and you can also attach files and images here. But the one thing I just wanted to say to you was that you can change who the message goes to. So it's possible that we can select that and send it to everyone or no one, or individual people there. So there's quite a lot of control over that. And again, to go home, we can just click on the home button, and that takes us back to the main page, the main Basecamp page. And remember, to get back in, just as a reminder, you need to go into your named project, and that's the interface there. So it's quite straightforward to use. We've had a lot of success with it. It might take a wee bit of getting used to, but of course, any questions at all, you can just post them up, or email me kpark@glasgowclyde.ac.uk. Thanks very much for your time today.